what I think a lot of times people don't fully understand is that with most air conditioning systems, you are actually getting latent heat removal as a byproduct of sensible heat removal, and vice versa, right? If I'm reducing the air temperature to below the dew point temperature, I'm wringing moisture out of the air. And so the heat that's produced by your lighting is promoting transpiration in the plant, but it's actually also promoting dehumidification. I'm actually using that heat to dehumidify my space. And so when I reduce my lighting load, and then I'm at peak watering rate, so if I'm in late flower, sometimes I might actually have to do some reheat in that room to get the correct dehumidification, even though I've got all this heat produced, all this sensible heat from that lighting. Obviously, preferably through some kind of heat recovery system and not through some addition of heat is how we're